we're changing the belt on a Chevy Equinox 2015 year model. Common problem with these, they leak oil everywhere for one thing, and then it drips down on the belt. This one was thrown completely off. So with these, it's fairly simple, and this is the 2.4 liter. So getting straight to business. I already got the belt installed. As you can see, I got my ratchet holding into place on the tensioner, which I'm going to show you in a second. Yeah, it's leaking oil everywhere. So there's the tensioner right there. Right up there. See it? So the belt has to wrap around there. And once everything gets into place, you just release the tension on it and your belt is on. You only got your crank pulley, your AC, and if you, well, you can't really see up top, but if you see it up top, the only thing that's up there is your alternator. So wrap that around the tensioner. Pretty straightforward. Just come down in the L shape, and that's all it is for the routing diagram for it. So questions, concerns, make sure you hit me up. Like, share, subscribe as always. Thank y'all.